If you are curious, how to cheat on Honorlock or cheating on Honorlock is possible. In this video, you're going to find all the answers with proof. Hey there, welcome to Exam Archer, your best solution for all the latest tips and tricks on proctored exams. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you. A proven method to cheat on the Honorlock from 26. But here's the kicker. I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you a step-by-step video of the Honorlock being bypassed, complete with undeniable proof. So stick around, because this is a game changer you won't want to miss. Before going into the details of how to cheat on Honorlock, we must know what it is and how it works. Honorlock combines AI with live human proctors. Honorlock uses artificial intelligence, AI, to monitor your test, which means that you aren't constantly being watched. If the AI detects unusual activity, such as another person in the room, it automatically generates a flag and alerts a live virtual proctor. Depending on the type of flag, a live proctor may pause your exam and open a chat with you to discuss the incident and resume your exam. All right, let's tackle the burning question head-on. Can the Honorlock, armed with its security measures, be bypassed for the purpose of cheating on an exam? The resounding answer is yes. Now you might be wondering, how on earth is that possible to cheat on Honorlock? This method involves the deployment of a custom software crafted by the expert themselves. This ingenious software allows them to slip through the Honorlock defenses, essentially stepping into the shoes of the student and taking the exam on their behalf. It's a technical marvel, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. In this eye-opening video, we've got latest proof of the Honorlock being bypassed as a student collaborates with a technical expert to remotely control the device. Watch closely, and you'll witness the Honorlock being expertly bypassed, with the student seamlessly moving to the next step after overcoming the app closing obstacle. Now you might be wondering about the safety of using the technical expert method to cheat on the Honorlock. The answer may surprise you. Yes, it's safe. Why, you ask? Well, here's the scoop. Once that custom software does its magic and bypasses the Honorlock, it operates like a ghost in the machine. This means it leaves no trace behind in the activity monitor or task manager, seamlessly working in the background without a whisper of its presence on the CPU. In essence, it's the ultimate stealth mode. So when it comes to foolproof cheating on the Honorlock, the technical expert method is the way to go, as all other methods simply won't cut it. If you need professional help with the online exam, call our experts. To get help with your exam from professional and technical experts, contact us at examarcher@gmail.com or fill out our test help request form to get an excellent score in service. You will get best service, and we take no advance payment. And get grades of your own choice. Good luck! Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.